Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is my website that I used just to showcase my designer skills. This one is called Pugs Life, just a simple play on thugs. This one is more so insight, or rather enlightened. Just thought of for the help of my colleagues. They're adamant, crazy dog lovers, and one in particular like pugs. So I thought, hey, I don't really hear too much about pugs. Let me try put this little something together just for my exercise skills, and this is what it brought. As you can see, the slideshow, great HD pictures. You scroll down a little bit more for your buddy, for your champ. These are some of the items, probably all the items. I don't remember. It's been quite a while since I built this one. I think this is all the items I have on display, but I think there are a little bit more. Don't quote me on that. Excellent items here. View all. I'm kind of curious myself to see what else I have. Yeah, I know there was another handful more. Of course, it can always be edited. It was just something I just wanted to put together, like I said before, just to showcase, what I can do. I have a product of the week. To highlight that specific item, to work on getting more sales if it was to go live. Because for those Shopify users, you gotta market that one product and then everything else will fall into play. That's what I was informed. I just do the designing. Also, a little, not too much of a blog, but just to get a little description, just to give you a quick idea of what else to expect. And then, I got the pug socks, pug underwear, try to make it more pug centric, if that's even a word. From policy, private policy, terms and services, about us, track order, newsletter subscription, definitely taking this thing to the next level. But yeah, my blog, of course, that could be added on bit by bit for those users, Shopify users, when they have the store, if they have a store similar to this, just to keep the fans on, give it a little, idea, show their support or love for the pugs, different stories. Contact us, speaks for itself. About us, basic, simple, always be edited. For the dog lovers, here's the socks and stuff again. But yeah, so this is basically the site. As you see, it's fluid, it's easy to read, easy to navigate. It took a little time, but nonetheless, the ending results look quite appealing. Yeah, I just wanted to take the time out to just showcase this. And if by chance you need a website similar to something like this, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me with my information listed below in the description. Or if you just like how the site had looked, you could just simply comment and give a thumbs up. But with that being said, thank you guys for observing this simple Shopify demonstration site. I truly appreciate it. And to all, thanks again.